To start Solid Edge, you can directly type Solid Edge in your Windows search, and then Solid Edge icon will appear. You can directly click on that. And there is another method. You can click on Start button, and here you can search for the Siemens folder in all programs where Solid Edge is installed. In Siemens Solid Edge 2025. Currently, I have 2025 version installed. Here you can see that there are various add-ons into that Solid Edge installed folder Siemens. From here you can access Design Manager, License Borrow, License Utilities, Migration Tools for SolidWorks Inventor. You can access from here. Sometimes in direct search window they does not appear, so from here you will have idea that you from here you can access that. Then and also if you want any detailed video on this add-ons tools, you can directly comment that add-on models. You can directly comment that. I will directly make a video on detailed presentation about this. Then from the starting page, this is the starting page of Solid Edge. Currently I have Solid Edge 2025 version installed, but from I think if you have explored from 2023 to 2025, UI is little bit similar, but before 2022 it was very different from the current Solid Edge UI scheme. So you will find some icon changes and like that, but it is manageable. From in means you can start like 2 to 3 days you can directly handle. So this is basic start page. From here you can directly explore the start tutorials from Siemens, which is made by them. Then these templates here, then some quick access UI tools. This video I will prefer you to watch or according to your use case. Then in Discovery Center there are some learning contents like what are the Solid Edge X related route command enhance, like what's new packages are added here. In Learn also there are sites provided by Siemens where you can learn about the tutorials of Solid Edge, what's new in Solid Edge. Then if you want to go into the Solid Edge certifications, you can go from here. I will must prefer, if you are beginner, you should first learn the Solid Edge for like 6-7 months, then go for these certifications. But you should go for, and if you are working, then you should go for the certification, because in this certification there are very detailed uh, provided or very detailed analysis about Solid Edge. Then if you go into the about Solid Edge section, here you will have idea about your licensing, like what type of license current you have. I have premium license installed, and another modules related added in your license. You can explore from here. Then if you go into the community page, here you have all the communities, like we have Instagram, Facebook, like that. Here are Facebook communities, Solid Edge user communities. These communities you should join so that you can explore in detail about the Solid Edge, and you can explore if you are facing queries like that. Then now if you go into the new tab, here our main start, like from here you can access all the templates, like for the assemblies isometric, then for the weldment isometric assemblies, then for the draft file isometric draft, then for the part and sketching and surfacing also included, you can go for this part and template. And for the sheet metal you can go for this sheet metal template. Like in annex only one PRT file is there, and all other drafts assemblies are included here. In that only assemblies and parts, sorry, included in that. But here in Solid Edge, all I have different formats and different templates. Like for assemblies we have ASM, draft we have DFT, for part we have PAR, for sheet metal we have PSM. Then if this is currently default in isometric standard, but if you want to explore the standard, you can click on the edit list, and from here you can directly explore the type of standards we have, like ANS metrics. Like according to your use case, you just need to click on that particular templates and just click on OK. That particular templates will be can be accessed from here. Now I will again go into the isometric, click on OK. Now if you go into the open tab, here are the basic browse section. Like you can directly click on the browse section and directly browse which type of document you want to call. If you go into the browse section, there are these selection methods also in file explorer, like what type of document you can browse in solid edge. Solid edge documents are compatible. Then AutoCAD documents are also compatible, like DWG and DXF formats. Then STEP and IGS are always compatible. We have Creo and SolidWorks are also compatible. We can open that files in Solid Edge directly, but it will be in body feature format only. For the CATIA, there is another license we need to purchase. It is CATIA translator, but we can open that also. If you to use migration tool, then that will be very preferred for using another CAD folders, another CAD models. Then this is history tab. Here you have the history about what models you have recently drawn and modified. Then if you go into the setting tools, here you have the settings of all the solid edge UIs and related settings. Like in save tab, if you want to preserve any document, like if there is any sudden power outage in your area, which is very common, then you can utilize this tool. Like you can directly automatically preserve any documents. Then you need to click on this first option is prompt means after every each 60 minutes, if you have said, then every 60 minutes it will show one pop-up that you should save this particular file. Or you want to directly create any particular backup files, you can click on this creating uniquely named backup copies. Here you just need to set the timer, like each and every 5 minutes my backup models and draft files should be saved. Then after 5 minutes, solid edge will automatically directly create a copy of that particular files in backup folder location. So this setting you can use. Now you will have question like where is the backup folder location. So for that you can explore this file location tab. Here you have this backup folder location option. Here you will see the what backups are created of your files in this folder. Then here are all the settings, sorry, all the path locations for the like material tables, whole database. You can directly explore from there, or if you want to modify, like you have custom database, you can directly do that from here. So like that you can directly access these files, file locations for your use cases. This all our file locations will be different if you explore the different templates. We will see that in detail next time. Then in user profile you can set your username, then your initials. This will be helpful in if you want to create an initial prop sheet or initial property or call out in drafting, then you can do that. So like that you can directly create that. Your mailing address you can put that here directly. Then these are some basic settings for deploying setting and preferences files. There are some settings that I will skip, but if you want a detailed video on that also, currently that will be not useful in this video, but you can comment and I will make a video on that. Then starting of solid edge you can control, like from discovery page it should start or open page it should start. Then we have synchronous and ordered. We will see in detail, like we have solid edge, in solid edge we have two types of modeling methods, synchronous and ordered. Then these are some general settings, like what type of color scheme you want to control, like that. Then there are some settings which will be useful in the templates of that particular environment itself. So later we will see in details. Then if you again go into the file tab settings, there are these add-ons. If you have created any add-ins, you can directly browse from here and select that and click on OK. For this you can explore the batch files. There are in many communities that are available, in solid edge communities that are available, you can directly explore that. Or if you want, I will make a detailed video. Then you can go into the customize tab. This customize tab will be used to directly customize the all related solid edge UI settings, but this we will explore later. Before that, I will give the basic idea about the templates of solid edge. This theme and all we will explore later. First, now we will go into the isometric part template. So here, if you click on that template, the copy of that template will be pop up. In first time, this type of template you will be you will see this. So this is the template, in part template, in which you have modeling commands, you have sketching commands, and you have surfacing commands also here only. Now in this UI, this is our base origin, original base origin. You can access from here. This is the pathfinder where you will find your history. From here only you can control the base, material, planes, like all that. Then we have this view cube here. From here you can control the views like whichever you want. Then this is our ribbon bar. In ribbon bar we have all the tabs. From here you can access which type of command you want to access. Then this is the quick access toolbar. From here you can set some quick access tools, like from some settings like undo, redo, save, options, settings. You can directly explore from here. Then these are some general options, like if you want to fit any object in the screen, you can go for the fit object. Then if you want to rotate something, if you want to zoom in, zoom out, you can explore from here only. Then if you want to search any command, there is this search tool also. You can directly search like fillet command. If you click on fillet, that particular command will be highlighted. Fillet, weld and round command, it is similar, so this both two commands will be highlighted. Now I also, there is this prompt bar, like if you have seen in AutoCAD like that. This prompt bar will help you to execute any command. If you have selected any command, that prompt bar will tell you that what you need to do to execute the particular command. So this will be very helpful if you are beginner. Now you can see some commands are unhighlighted because these commands are dependent on some things, some entities. So because of that, entities are not modeled, so these commands are unhighlighted. Now now if sometimes what happens, this pathfinder will be not here. So if you want to call the pathfinder, you can go for this panes section. In this pane section there is this pathfinder, so you can directly call from here, or you can go into the view tab, and here also in panes section you can access that. So this was the basic about part environment. Now we will go for the customize tab. Now you have idea what is ribbon, what is quick access toolbar. Also one was remaining, our mouse control. In solid edge, if you rotate the cursor, you can zoom in, zoom out. If you click on the left link, you can left click, you can enable the selection field, selection fins. Then if you click on right, then you will have the some extra menus for the shortcut commands like group, ungroup, activate body, cut, copy, paste. Then if you hold the right click button, then there is this quick access bar also here, radial menu also, sorry. Here you can directly create shortcuts for commands like smart dimension. If you want to measure something, you can directly hover on that and that particular command will be activated. Like that, from these methods you can increase your modeling speed. Then now if you want to customize something in solid edge, like if you want to customize this watch type of command should be in ribbon bar, then what type of command should be in the radial menu. So for that we will go into the files, settings, options, files, settings, customize. From here you can directly from scratch you can modify the solid edge UI settings and controls. Like if you first click on keyboard settings, then from here you can directly control the shortcuts, which type of shortcuts you want for particular command. Like in home means in ribbon bar home, these particular commands are added like paste, cut, copy. So for that the universal for cut, copy, paste are control C, control V and control X for cut. So these are some universal, but if you want to change for like part copy, I want to select, or for line I want to create any shortcut, like by pressing any one alt, any key modifier, alt control shift. Like if I say control plus one key, so now it is giving me pop-up that this combination is currently assigned to left view command. So do you want to reassign this key? So I'll click cancel and assign some Q, but currently this is also assigned, so I'll just change the modifier. If you click on none and click on right click, okay, now problem one is in short, solid edge I feel that if you don't want to assign modifier, then that is not possible to create any shortcut. Like if I click on none, I don't want to select any modifier, then I can only select the F series, like what we say function keys to assign the shortcut, but I don't want to do that. So I will just change the modifier. I'll click on alt and then click on L. So now if I click alt L, then line command will be activated. Now we have options like if you want to use this particular command in all environments or all use in specified environments, that also we can utilize that. Then if you go into the quick access bar, like here I am already mentioned, you can modify which type of command should be there directly by clicking and removing it. Then there are all the commands are here. If you click on all command filter, then all the commands will be here in alphabetical order. Same if you want to modify the ribbon bar, you can do that. You can customize this, then you can go for the radial menu. You can also customize this according to your use case. Then if you go into the layout tab, these are the general settings which I have already seen, like to control synchronous and ordered, like that. This type of settings once we have created, you can directly save that particular theme and that particular theme will be created. Balance ordered is a default theme. The whenever you have created any theme, it will be created as a new. Like if I created on save as, the new theme will be created. If I click on that, the new theme will be created. Now if I click close, now if I again go into the files, settings, and now we have this themes tab. Now here you can access all the themes, like balance always theme will be always be there. Now if you click on that, the all the icons will be according to balance always theme, and if you click on the our new created theme, the icons will be according to that. In our new theme, uh, now also there is one shortcut to access themes. If you go into this quick access toolbar, in this customize, there is one themes section. From here also you can access the whichever theme you want or customize tab you want. Also sometimes the ribbon get disappeared, so from here you can control the minimize the ribbon, or you don't want to minimize it. Then if you go into the settings again, there is this floating license manager. This is related to licensing. Then if you go into the tools, there are some tools like you can create a run if you want to run a macro or compare two models, or component. If you want to components by trace parts or 3D find it, these are vendors like GrabCard. You can directly explore that and download any models. I will make a detailed video according to, for this also. Then if you go into the info, these are some material tables, property, file properties like that you can access from here. So this was all the basics related solid edge UI and its basic UI settings. So I think today this will be all. Means you can practice this general settings for solid edge, or you can directly means explore this setting and comment if you have any doubt. Thank you.